Crunchy and delicious. Easy and quick potato bites. If you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe my channel. 1 cup poha flattened rice. Blend to fine powder. Two boiled and mashed potatoes. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper. 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Grease palm with oil. Take small portion and make desired shape. Preheat air fryer. Grease basket with olive oil. Set for 15 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. Keep on flipping in between. Crunchy and delicious potatoes bites. Ready to serve. Serve with sweet chili sauce. If you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe to my channel.